Okay, so this is a quick one today. So this is just something I've been thinking on doing for a long time. So what you're looking at is an electric Sears tractor. So that's a 12 volt starter generator right there that's made to turn this way. Heavy duty solenoid made for a golf cart. Has some wiring and stuff going to it over to that switch right there. So then you can push your foot on it and operate the motor. Still has all the original gears and everything that this tractor would have. Let's try reverse. Transmission shifts kind of hard. And there you go. Thanks for watching. More coming on this soon.